Hey there, science fans. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the wonders of the human body. It's your old pal, Bill Nye, here to talk about something that happens to a lot of us: hair loss. Yes, you heard it right, hair loss. It's totally natural. As we age, our hair follicles can shrink, leading to thinner hair or even bald spots. This process can start as early as your 20s or 30s, but don't worry, there are options if you're feeling self-conscious about it. From topical treatments to lifestyle changes, there's a lot you can do. One of those options is a hair transplant. This surgical procedure can restore your hairline and boost your confidence. Hair loss can be caused by genetics, hormones, medical conditions, or even just getting older. Each cause requires a different approach to treatment. It's important to talk to your doctor if you're concerned about hair loss, as they can help determine the cause and recommend the best course of treatment. They might suggest medications, therapies, or even lifestyle changes. But for many people, hair transplants offer a permanent solution to hair loss. Let's learn more about how this amazing procedure works and what you can expect from it. So, what exactly is a hair transplant? Imagine this. You're a gardener and you want to move some healthy plants to an area of your garden that's looking a little bare. That's kind of what a hair transplant does. It takes hair follicles from one part of your scalp, usually the back or sides, and transplants them to the areas where you're experiencing hair loss. These transplanted follicles are genetically resistant to the hormones that cause hair loss, so they'll continue to grow even as the hair around them might thin out. Pretty neat, huh? Now, there are two main types of hair transplants: FEW and FUT. FEW stands for follicular unit extraction. It's like carefully plucking individual hairs from the back of your head and planting them one by one in the areas that need more coverage. FUT, on the other hand, stands for follicular unit transplantation. This method involves removing a thin strip of skin from the back of your head, harvesting the hair follicles from that strip, and then transplanting them to the desired areas. Both techniques have their pros and cons, and your doctor can help you determine which one is right for you based on your individual needs and goals. Section 4, Step-by-Step, How It Works. Ready for a behind-the-scenes look at a hair transplant surgery? Let's dive in and see what happens during this intricate and fascinating procedure. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. In fact, many patients find the process to be quite comfortable and reassuring. First, the surgeon will numb your scalp so you don't feel a thing. This is done using a local anesthetic to ensure maximum comfort. Then they'll either extract individual follicles, known as FUE, or remove a strip of skin, called FUT, from the donor area. If they're using the FUT method, they'll carefully dissect the strip of skin under a microscope to isolate the hair follicles. This step is crucial for ensuring the health and viability of each follicle. Once the follicles are ready, the surgeon will make tiny incisions in the recipient area, where you're losing hair, and carefully insert each follicle. They'll pay close attention to the angle and direction of each hair to ensure a natural-looking result. The precision and artistry involved in this step are what make the results so impressive and lifelike. Section 5. Recovery. What to expect. After the surgery, your scalp might be a little tender and swollen, but don't worry, that's normal. Your doctor will give you specific instructions on how to care for your scalp and what to expect during the recovery process. You might need to avoid strenuous activity for a few weeks and wear a hat to protect your scalp from the sun. Most people see significant hair growth within 6 to 12 months after the procedure. And the best part? The results are permanent. Those transplanted hair follicles are here to stay. Section 6. Benefits and fun facts. Let's dive into the amazing world of hair transplants and uncover some interesting tidbits. Hair transplants offer a ton of benefits. Not only do they restore your hair, but they also bring back a sense of normalcy and joy to your life. They can boost your confidence, improve your self-esteem, and help you feel like your best self again. Imagine waking up every day feeling more positive and ready to take on the world. Plus, they're a long-lasting solution to hair loss. You won't have to worry about messy topical creams or expensive medications. It's a one-time investment for a lifetime of benefits. And here's a fun fact. Did you know that the first hair transplant surgery was actually performed way back in 1939 in Japan? It's fascinating to see how far we've come since then. Science is always advancing. Well, that's it for now, science fans. We hope you enjoyed these insights and fun facts about hair transplants. Remember, if you're concerned about hair loss, talk to your doctor. They can provide you with the best advice and guide you through the process. They can help you explore your options and determine if a hair transplant is right for you. It's always good to have a professional opinion. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science and medicine.